How to buy the structured boyfriend token. So let's look here under the symbol of boyfriend. Now before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you found on my channel, please do your own research. As you can see, this token is available on the screener. It created 8 months ago, as you can see, and increased by 3000% in the last 24 hours. The liquidity here unlocked by 100%. That's medium investment in safe place. And this token trending number 15 in this one section. To be able to buy this token, click here to copy the token address and open your financial mind for that. Click here also up and make sure that you have enough Solana on your wallet. Now click here and paste the token in this here. As you can see, this is our token. Now click on it, and here you can type how much you want to buy. So here you will be able to see how much you receive, as you can see with that token. After that, select provider, for example Jupiter, and make sure to read all of that information here. Click on stop and you will be able to redact to the Jupiter provider page to be able to buy this token. Now if you face an issue, go back to this page and try to switch the slippage from here, as you can see, or custom it, because the most issues came from the slippage, and after that you can go and buy this token without any issue. So this is how to buy both for a token. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.